Hey guys, Andrew Hanneman with Pipe Dream Plumbing and Heating. Just going to take a few minutes of your time to chit chat about our new system I'm really excited about. I really don't enjoy being on camera, but I do want to share with you guys some of the stuff that's going on because we are updating our systems, trying to take a new approach with our customer base, and trying to provide a multi-layer, multifaceted approach. So we're not just coming and fixing something for you, but that we offer up some other additional options for you. One thing we're offering now is a pre-arrival customer care form. It's just a short 6-minute form, completely optional, not necessary, but it is a form that will help us to do a little assessment on your level of comfortability, your boundaries, anything that you might be feeling prior to us coming. It's sort of just to get that connection point made before we arrive. You know, it addresses how you're feeling. It addresses whether or not we have pets or things to deal with. It addresses the various obstacles that we sometimes face as technicians coming to someone's home. You know, the age-old question: does the customer want to watch us? Does the customer mind being on their own? These various things that sometimes are not easy to chat about, we kind of addressed them in this form. So in that form, you'll have the minute or two just to quickly fill that out, send that back to us, and we can get a feedback from you on what's going on. That'll be sent out before we arrive at the job. Beyond that, we're doing a few other additional things like customer satisfaction surveys for post-job. We also have obviously a Google review link. We appreciate Google reviews. If you're happy with the service, if there's anything we need to change, we like to know. And then on top of that, we are going to be implementing a few other things. Future goals, not fully ready, not live yet, but future goals will be implementing a bit of a homeowner's education system as well as a homeowner's maintenance system. So I want to try to educate homeowners on their equipment and that they should know their equipment, not be completely in the dark. Now, obviously, I always recommend that for the more technical repairs, do call service techs. That's always the best way to go. But when it comes to some basic maintenance, it's something you can do. And on top of that, I think the better you know your equipment, some of the basic operations, sequence of operations, how it works, it does give you a bit of a better understanding and maybe a little bit more peace of mind about what you're working on, or sorry, what's in your home, I should say. Might give you a little bit of peace of mind and just a little level, a new level of comfortability in what's in your home. Part of the education program will be to have customers, have our clients sign up. It'll be part of an annual membership. That membership will include them doing some service and maintenance themselves, filter changes, visual inspections on their equipment, little reports that they're going to send back to us. If they keep that up, they maintain that, as well as our go through our academy that we're going to be setting up, a little bit of a homeowners education academy. Pretty brief little short videos, some questions. It's a fun little academy, and if you go through it with us, we're going to set you up as an annual member. And with that, you're going to get some discounts, you're going to get some perks, and we will also give you some priority options. So there's some of the features of joining up with that. That's in the works, not quite here yet, but you know, we're looking to gear ourselves towards the customer. We really want to provide that. I'm making some pretty big changes with our service when we arrive at your home. Again, future, working on some videos right now that will be sent to the customer as a link for just what you can expect from us. We like the customers to be prepared for what to expect. And again, that preparation also comes with accountability. We want you guys to be able to hold us accountable. If we arrive and we're not following the format that we've sent you, we need to know. So yeah, that's what it's all for. Accountability. We think that there needs to be a level of honesty and transparency put back into the trades. That comes via forms. As a matter of fact, another thing that we're doing, we're going to have service forms for all equipment we service. That'll be a detailed form, not some basic little scribble scrabble on a piece of paper. It's actually a form, digital form, that we'll be using now and sent to the customer, emailed with the invoice, with a breakdown of everything we found. We do diagnostic readouts for equipment. We make sure we test things thoroughly, and we do provide that all with written notes and any visual inspections we make while we're there. That's all included too. So from top to bottom, we're hoping the customer gets protected, feels like they're being taken care of, and are left with just a level of satisfaction where they feel like they're being hemmed in on every side and that we've got you. That's kind of the goal we've got here. So if you're interested in that, visit us at our website, www.pd-plumbing. That's pauldavid-plumbing.com. There you can find a few bits of information. You can follow us at Instagram at Pipe Dream Plumbing Heating. You can give us a call or a text at 780-803-1899. But again, on our website, there are some job submission forms and contact request forms. So feel free to visit the website. Again, www.pd-plumbing.com. See you then.